all of us diverse members of Parliament is a united message in defense of our country. We have been subject for many decades now to repeated terrorist attacks from across the border from our neighboring country, Pakistan. On the 22nd of April this year, there was one more that really was in many ways the last straw for us, when 26 innocent holidaymakers, tourists, were shot dead in the territory of Kashmir. And shot dead in cold blood, profiled for their religion, and told so, and their families were spared so they could go back and give the bad news that their husbands had been killed because of their religion. It was a very, very ugly terrorist attack. And in this particular instance, we have decided that we cannot let this crime go unpunished. We have taken very serious action after 2 weeks during which no effort was made in Pakistan to apprehend these people who are enjoying safe haven there. We decided to strike a number of terrorist sites, well-known, established headquarters, bases, training centers, and launch pads of organizations on the list of the United Nations Sanctions Committee terrorist list, all of which are also identified as designated terrorists by the US government. So these are not innocent people. In fact, when we chose these targets, our government was very careful not to take, even by accident, any Pakistani government target, any civilian target, or even any Pakistani military target. It was only terrorist camps.